So magandang araw kabola. Sa video na ito kabola, pag-uusapan natin kabola ang mga trade target daw ngayon currently ng San Miguel Beermen. Of course, a big injury happened kabola dun po sa semis at meron din naman po nagbabalik po from injury. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Dito naman tayo sa comments sa mga fans. Balyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you so much. Thank you for shouting out my team sa media support ng Supreme Court. Royal Mantis, ano ba update about Mikey Williams? So, I think, abang-abangan nyo na lang kabola. Should be something that will happen this month about Mikey Williams. Either babalik po siya ng tuluyan sa TNT or may magaganap na trade. I'm quite confident about that. Practical dads, first, Fernando Panlilio. Baka pag pinagbigyan ng Star Horse, awakan lang ng Alchuapang. Gaya ng Terra F, sabi niya kabola. Dan Adventure sa labas na liga, palaban ng Star Horse. Diyan sa PBA, baka hawakan din sila sa leeg ni long hair kabola. So, yan talaga yung fear ngayon ng mga fans kabola, no? Na maging isang farm team lang din naman ito pong Star Horse kabola pag pumasok sila dito sa PBA. But again, di ba kabola? We are hoping na yung history po nila outside the PBA will prevail. Yung history po nila of trying to compete kabola, yung history nila of trying to get the championship kabola. And the reality again po na yung kanila pong kumpanya, actually, pwede maapektuhan din kung magsisatalo sila kabola, di ba? Kung mag-isang talunan sila na team dito po sa PBA. Now, ang player po na nagbalik po from injuries, wala po si iba kundi si Jeremiah Gray. 19 months na pala kabola, no? Na nawala siya because of his ACL injury. And of course, we are happy to see him return kabola dito po sa Ginebra. And of course, his return together with Malonzo's return kabola means almost healthy. Ang Ginebra po, ang nawawalan nilang is Isaac Go kabola. And with a much healthier now na lineup kabola, will they finally overcome kabola kung sino man po yung makakaharap nila sa finals? Ano po kabola? RHJ calls for consistent calls or officiating after fouling out in game 2. So nakakagulat nga yun na-fouled out siya, 6 fouls siya kabola. Now hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari kasi of course they are the TNT, di ba? Usually ang nagtiring advantage or ang lamang po sa tawagan is TNT kabola, pero nakakapagtaka dito na now they are battling an independent team. Ang nakalamang po sa tawagan nung game 2 is ito pong Rain or Shine, pero the way the game was played, yeah, RSJ, yung mga calls naman sa kanya kabola, wala masyadong manipis kabola, na wala masyadong ganong kanipis kabola, na kumbaga very questionable. Pero tama naman, di ba, in every series, of course, what we hope is yung tawagan po is maging pantay kabola. Now, unfortunately for Jason Castro, he's done for the season. Nakakalungkot lang, of course, knowing the age 39 years old, that's almost guaranteed na siguro na pwede nating sabihin na the retirement is very near for Jason Castro. And of course, nakakalungkot din kasi he's playing very well, no kabola? He's playing very well. He's playing like a starting caliber. Legit po ulit na point guard in last tournament and in this one kabola. So nakakalungkot talaga na nagkaroon po siya ng ganitong klase po ng injury kabola. Now fans of course will look to the management of TNT. Now what? Diba kabola? Who will be the new addition or at return kabola that will help them overcome this big hole po now in their lineup? Will it be the return of Mikey Williams kabola or will they finally acquire Cedric Beerfield? Now, San Miguel Beermen, surprisingly, reported po by Snowbadwa, interested daw sa dalawang bench veteran kabola na big man. First is Michael Miranda of NLEX and the second one is Raul Soyud of Phoenix kabola. These two kabola, again, bench bigs yan kabola. Ang medyo similarity nila, they are willing shooter from beyond the arc, which of course alam naman natin na requirement yan kabola if you want to play with Fajardo kabola. Pero siguro ang naisip lang siguro dito ng San Miguel Beermen, they do not need to make a big addition in this upcoming tournament or sa Philippine Cup. Getting a bench big that can give them 5 to 10 minutes of the bench kabola, yung siguro para feeling nila sapat na yon kabola. They will trust the health of Fajardo and Tautua, and maybe their big acquisition will be coming on other po na positions. Kawawal sa bagay mo, sino talaga ang main target po ng San Miguel? Comment lang po sa baba.